Do you want to configure CherryProxy in BitBrowser? Open the CherryProxy client and go to the SOCKS 5 Proxies interface. On the right, filter by the country/state/city where the IPs you need are located. And click Search to obtain a list of IP addresses for the target area. In the refreshed proxy list, select an IP address. Right-click to forward it to an available port. And click on the port forward list at the bottom to find the forwarded IP address. Click the Copy button on the right. Now it's time to configure the proxy in BitBrowser. First, open the BitBrowser client. In the left menu, click Browser Profiles. Then click the Add button to enter the configuration interface. You can name the new window. Click Platform and select the platform you want to use from the drop-down list. Then scroll down to find the proxy settings. For proxy method, choose Custom. For proxy type, select one from the drop-down list. We offer HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxies. Then enter the proxy host and port information copied from CherryProxy. Click Check Proxy to test the connection. If green text and specific IP information appear below, the proxy is valid. BitBrowser provides a random fingerprint generation feature. You can click Random Fingerprint at the bottom left to automatically generate a browser fingerprint. Finally, click Confirm to save the window information. Click Open to continue with your tasks. That's all the steps for configuring CherryProxy in BitBrowser.